Do you have a tattoo you don't want, like maybe someone's name, and then somebody else's name, just keep putting X's through them? Well, instead of doing that, you can get that tattoo removed, and you can do it right here at Gulf Coast Dermatology, right, Dr. Bender?
That's correct. We actually have the new PicoSure laser from Cynosure. And what's special about the PicoSure laser is it delivers pulses at a picosecond, which is 100 times faster than all the other lasers that we have on the market right now. Cynosure is the first company to make that available, and we're real fortunate that they've selected our practice to be a center of excellence. So we're going to actually not only have the laser for our patients, but train physicians from across the country to use it as well. So it's exciting, and it's really the first time we've done tattoo removal for a long time. But of course, it takes 10 to 12 treatments to get it gone, and even with those 10 to 12 treatments, sometimes the results aren't something that we're all really excited about. With this laser, it's almost like having a big fat eraser. You can really get rid of a tattoo and make it a thing of the past.
Does it remove the tattoo completely?
The only color that we're going to have to use, probably an extra machine, will be red. Green and blue tattoos for years have been really difficult to treat. Well, as you can see, with this laser, after just a few treatments, gone. And then the next picture we're going to show is actually a tattoo, a larger tattoo, blue and black ink. You see how thick this is, professionally done, of course. I mean, it's a beautiful tattoo, but these are almost impossible to remove. And so you can see in this picture the old laser that we all had at our disposal to remove it. So you can compare that with the results with this laser. Complete 180-degree turn. Most patients with 4 to 6 treatments, it will literally make it look like it was never there.
Wow.
Of course, now you've got new skin that was protected for years by the tattoo, so actually that skin's going to look a little bit different than the skin around it, but the tattoo will be gone.
What is the difference in the red ink? Why is that harder to remove?
Every laser works by color. And so depending on the wavelength of the laser, which this one's actually a 755 nanometer laser, that determines the colors it works best with. So that, red ink will require a different wavelength.
The company who manufactures this laser also manufactures the CO2 laser.
Correct. The CO2 lasers have been around forever. We have a CO2 laser that we use. This one's going to have more power, be able to deliver it a little more safely, so it can be a little more aggressive. And what that means for the patient is better results with less risk. And of course, what this laser does is it regenerates collagen, so gets rid of those fine lines, gets rid of some of the wrinkles, gets some tightening out of it, and it is a gold standard. Everyone wants to advertise, have this procedure or that procedure done for tightening. This is the gold standard as far as getting rid of sun damage and tightening of the skin. Can
you do both at the same time? Remove the tattoo on the arm if you have one, and then also get the wrinkles removed too?
With most patients, as long as they're not, someone who has a tattoo on their face, because that's where we're doing most of the CO2 lasers. Right. We can do CO2 on the face, and then we'll move the tattoo somewhere else. Now, the neat thing about the CO2 laser is we can use it for stretch marks on the abdomen. We can use it on the arms. We can really do CO2 rejuvenation from head to toe. So you don't wake up one day, in your 50s and 60s, and the only answer that you have is, golly, I need to go and have a big facelift or some other large procedure. If we use these along the way, we're not going to need those procedures anymore.
Very neat. If you want to check out these lasers, you can do it right here with Dr. Bender at Gulf Coast Dermatology.